Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I am Sultry Niko, and as you guys can see, the title is below. In today's video, we're going to be doing a collab video where I am going to be showing you guys how to get this summer nights sultry glowy look for this summer solstice slay. This video is a collab with my good YouTube friend Jay Hard. If you guys are from the Royal Flush family, hello Royal Flush. I am a Duke in that type of realm, but over here we are the XO Squads, where we are rebels, we're Freedom Army, we are just lit on this side. So if you guys want to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do so and join the XO Squad, because we all lit over here. We just turn. Did it right. Hey. Other than that, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment below if you guys are from the Royal Flush family and you guys enjoyed this slayage. All my XO Squads, after this video is over, please go check out Jay's Heart channel and make sure you guys go over there and say XO Squad so he knows from the XO Squad. Other than that, let's get this video started. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. I went ahead and did my brows and concealed and set my eyes to kind of jump straight on into this video. But I'm going to also do my Glam Bag unboxing. I haven't done a Glam Bag unboxing in a very much long time on my channel, so I thought this would be a perfect time to kind of unbox what I have received for the month of May, which is this bag here, and the month of June. So let's go ahead and get right into this video and what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bags. So for the month of June, I received 2 sheet masks from the Sayin, the Natural Acai Berry sheet mask and also the Natural Tox Apple sheet mask. I normally like to do sheet masks when I am getting unready, and it's one of my skin regimens to kind of hydrate the skin as much as possible. I really don't like to do it as a prepping step when it comes down to applying foundation, because the serum can kind of get all over the place. And I'm a little bit more oily, so I really don't want to have so much residue on my skin, so I like to do those at night. But moving right on along, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my skin with the Makeup Forever Step 1 moisturizer that I received in my June Glam Bag, the Hydrating Primer. This is supposed to just kind of give like a really nice hydrated finish to the skin. I'm gonna go ahead and just massage that right on in. The next item that I received in my June Glam Bag is a blush, and this is from Ofra Cosmetics. This is in the shade Blush Melon. This is actually the first item that I actually received from Ofra. I'm actually excited to actually put this to use. I really don't see myself using this as a blush per se, but I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow. I'm going to take that with my Sephora number 10 crease brush. I'm just going to go apply that right into the crease. Taking my Morphe M504, I'm just going to kind of diffuse those lines. I want to zoom you guys in a little bit closer. Gonna hop over to my Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. If you guys haven't seen the review where I compared this palette to the Vault palette, please check that video out. I will leave that up right up in the eye above. But I'm going to take the shade called Hunt. I'm going to take the shade called Hunt, and I'm going to go ahead and pop that right on in the crease to warm up this berry tone. Taking my Morphe 504 and 504 and just blending everything out. Taking my Morphe 505, I'm going to grab the shade called Jax, and I am going to pop that in the crease as well. I'm going to focus that a little more lower than Hunt's. Taking my crown brush to BK43, it's a little bullet brush. I'll go back into that Jax color. I'm just going to kind of saturate areas where I really want this color to pop. Taking my Luxie 439 flat shader brush, I'm going to grab the shade called Chip from the palette. I'm just going to pat that onto the lid. Grabbing this Wet n Wild Melted Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade called Mysterious Night. I'm going to go ahead and pop that onto the lid for my glitz and glams. Then I'm going to reach back into my Ipsy Glam Bag and grab the Luxie 245 brush that I received in this month's June's Ipsy. I'm just going to blend that out before it dries. Then I'm going to grab my Morphe M321 and I'm going to grab that shade called Abyss. And I'm just going to smoke out this outer corner. Reaching back into my June Ipsy Glam Bag, I'm going to grab the liquid liner from Jonte the Blue. This is the Art Professional Makeup Liquid Liner 24 Hours. Then I'm just going to go ahead and tight line my lash line. Grabbing a little bit of concealer. This is from Wet n Wild. I'm just going to take that and kind of clean up. Going to hop off camera, do the other eye real quickly, and I'll be right back to finish the face with you guys. Alright, other eye is complete. Lashes are on, liners on fleek. So we're going to move right on into the face and complexion. I'm going to be using the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I have them in two shades, New Caldona and Nubia. I'm going to take a mixture of the two. Just going to tie this with the beauty blender. For concealer today, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution. This is the Conceal and Define Concealer in C13. I bought this a while back and I have not used it since then, but that ColourPop concealer kind of inspired me to go back to it. So I'm going to jump into my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm going to go ahead and set everything. Then to set the rest of the face, I'm going to use my ColourPop. This is the No Filter Sheer Press Powder in Dark Deep. I did do a review on this powder. If you guys want to see it, I will leave that in the eye above. And for the under eyes, I'm going to take the shade Dark. So I'm going to go ahead and chisel the face. I'm going to be using this pressed powder from Ruby Kisses. This is their mineralized powder in the shade called Ebony. And I'm just going to take this right on the cheeks and chisel my cheekbones out. Snatch those cheekbones. To highlight, I'm going to be using the ColourPop highlighter in the shade called Pose. And to amp it up, I'm going to take my Amerzy Highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just going to target highlight. Jumping back into that Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take the shade called Jack, so I'm just going to take that on the lower lash line. Grabbing a little bit of Hunt from that same palette. Going to diffuse that color out some. Add on some mascara to the bottom lashes. And then I know that the eyes are a little top heavy, so I want to kind of go more nude for the lips. I'm going to take this brown liner from Wet n Wild. I'm going to take the ColourPop lipstick in the shade Quickie from Makeup Shayla collaboration with ColourPop. I'm going to use that as my lip color for today. Then I'm going to go ahead and top it off with a little bit of the Fenty Gloss Bomb. Alright guys, so this pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I feel like I have been in review mode for a while, and I feel like this tutorial was something that I just needed to do because I haven't done like a tutorial. I've just been doing reviews, which is fine, but you guys know I love to do tutorials. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you guys give this video a huge, big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. Also, make sure you guys comment below if you guys want to see more tutorials. I know this is not like very much summer-ish, but it is sultry for the summer nights. So if you guys want more summer-like tutorials, then just let me know in the comments section below. I do have a couple of color combinations in mind that I want to do for you guys. So if you guys want to see more summer-inspired looks, then let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to end this video here. Again, if you guys are from J Heart family, the Royal Again, if you guys are from Jay's Heart channel, the Royal Flush family, then hello, come and join the XO squad where it's lit on this side of YouTube. Other than that, I'm going to end this video here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.